Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to check the wiper fluid, coolant, brake fluid, and engine oil on a Toyota Corolla. I will start by checking the wiper fluid, which is located on the left side behind the headlight. You will see a black cap that says washer fluid only on it. Open the cap and look inside to see the level. If you don't see the level, add more washer fluid until it fills to the top. Make sure to snap the cap back in place when you're done. To check the coolant, you'll see a black cap with the word coolant written on it in the middle of the car just behind the bumper. Look from the side at the reservoir and you'll see there's a top mark here and a bottom mark here. And the coolant should be in between these two marks. Next, I will check the brake fluid reservoir, which is located on the driver's side of the car underneath the windshield. You'll see there's a top mark and a bottom mark, and the brake fluid level should be in between. Use a flashlight to shine it in the reservoir and see the level. Next, I will show you how to check the engine oil level. Before you check it, make sure the car has been turned off for at least an hour, otherwise the level on the dipstick will not be accurate. I'll start by pulling out the dipstick and looking at the level on the bottom of the stick. As you can see here, the level is right at the top bump, which means it's fully filled on my car. But if your level is getting low, you might see it at the bottom bump here, or you might not see any oil on the dipstick at all. If it's getting low, add more oil until it reaches the top bump here. Also make sure you always check the top of the dipstick and not the underside, because the underside gives an inaccurate level, which is here, but the real accurate level is here on the top side. Once you're done, wipe the dipstick and put it back in. If your oil level was at the minimum mark or very close to it, add 1 quart of 0W20 synthetic motor oil and check the level again after 1 hour. As long as your oil level is in between the two marks on the dipstick, it is safe to drive. However, it is a good idea to keep it filled close to the top mark. Always be sure to wait 1 hour between oil level checks. When the dipstick is removed, it leaves oil in the tube, and the second try will give an inaccurate reading, usually much higher than the real reading. By waiting 1 hour, you allow the oil to drain back down and get an accurate reading. If you need to speed things up, you can pull the dipstick out, wipe the oil off, and keep it removed for 15 minutes while the car is turned off. Then insert and remove the dipstick to get the oil level. Always make sure to put the dipstick back in before closing the hood and starting the car. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Post any questions or comments down below.